Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today in this video, I am going to discuss how to cover the current affairs, and we are going to focus on both type of students, like the ones who were reading the current affairs from the start, and the second type of students who have not read anything in current affairs till now. Okay, I am going to discuss about both the students, and I am going to discuss about the sources also, like which sources you can prefer, and then like we will make a roadmap according to the RRB PO mains examination, as this will be the first mains examination. So then you can repeat the same for the RRB clerk examination also, as SBI clerk is uncertain at this time. So for that I will make separate video after the results of the prelims examination. And one more thing is that please tell me about the audio quality of this video, as I have bought the mic but it will reach to me in 2 to 3 days. So till then please bear with it. And now I am going to start the video. So first of all, the source of current affairs. So there are many sources of current affairs which are very good. Okay, like there is Affairs Cloud, then there are some other sources also which give the PDF source. I am discussing about the PDF source right now because this is the thing from which you can prepare. This is not the time to watch any videos because you have reached very near to the mains examination. So now you can't revise through the videos. You just need to read the PDF and you just need to revise the PDFs again and again. So there are some sources. You can go for any source which you like. Okay. But personally, I like Affairs Cloud very much because they cover almost 95 to 97% current affairs. And if you follow them regularly, then there is no need to go for any other source. Okay. So I am going to discuss about Affairs Cloud. Like I will keep the base of Affairs Cloud. Okay. So first of all, there are those type of students who were preparing the current affairs from the start. Like they were from the starting they were covering the current affairs, but now they are confused that how to do the revision. So first of all, if you have covered from the start, then it means that you also would have done the weekly revision. So now you just need a final touch. But remember that you need to revise the current affairs 4 to 5 times before going to the mains examination if you need good marks in the GA section. Okay. So whatever you have done, now this is the time to revise your weekly PDFs. And for the weekly PDFs, you can go for the question answer PDF of every month. So if you have already read the weekly PDFs, it means that you can cover 2 to 3 weeks current affairs in one day. So try to cover 2 to 3 weeks question answer PDF I am talking about. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks current affairs in one day, and then try to attempt the quizzes. So now for the quizzes, there are many sources. You can follow the Affairs Cloud quiz source, and this is the best thing because you attempt the quizzes of the same questions which you read in the PDF. So it is like very beneficial to learn the current affairs itself. Okay. And the second source is Practice Mock free quizzes. There are free quizzes available in Practice Mock. You can go and attempt those also. Okay, they are also good for the revision. And for Affairs Cloud, you will find the link in the description if you wanna go and subscribe their current affairs, because they cover like the most of the current affairs. Plus the best part is quizzes, and the quizzes you can get in the subscription. So you will get the link, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. So this is for the students who were earlier preparing for the current affairs. You just need the weekly current affairs revision. Okay. Then before the examination, like before the 6 to 7 days of the examination, till then try to revise each month 4 to 5 times. After that, Affairs Cloud releases an exam PDF for the last minute revision. Okay, and in that PDF it includes everything. Like you don't have to search for any chief minister of any state or like any repo rate, anything. You just have to read that PDF because they just keep everything ready for you. So prior to 5 to 6 days of the mains examination, try to read that exam PDF 2 times. So that will be enough for you. Now I am going to discuss about the students who have not read anything till now in the current affairs. So if you have not read anything till now, I would suggest you to download the exam PDF of Affairs Cloud of like August month, okay? Or if it is not available, then try to download it from the July month. There is an exam PDF for each month, and they cover the current affairs from the like January to July in that PDF, and the most important questions are given in that PDF. So try to do that also, that if you have not read anything, and try to revise that PDF 3 to 4 times, okay? That will be but enough. But like if you have not prepared anything before, then there will be a huge marks difference between you and the students who have prepared in a very good manner. But still you have to clear the sectional cutoff, and you have to like get 15 to 18 marks in the current affairs if your other sections are strong. So try to get the exam PDF, try to revise it again and again. So for example, if you have downloaded the PDF of July month, okay, after July there will be months like August and September. So for these months, try to cover the weekly question answer PDFs, and then try to attempt the quizzes again and again, because quizzes are the thing which help you to memorize the current affairs. So try to attempt as much quizzes as you can from any source which you find, okay? And the best source of the quizzes will be Affairs Cloud, because you are reading the same PDFs, so it will be very beneficial to remember them. Now I am going to discuss about some important topics of the current affairs for the students who have not read anything, okay? And these are the PDFs which you must read before going to the examination, as these are the most important topics, okay? So just wait 1 minute. Yeah, so these are the important topics which you need to study, and it is must for both type of students. First is apps and web portals, then there is books and authors, then there is appointments, awards, index and reports, summits and conferences, MOUs and agreements, economy and business and government schemes. And all of these topic wise PDFs you can find on Affairs Cloud's app, or you can find in any other, like these are the most important PDFs. Try to read them as much as you can. So these are the most important topics. Each time questions are asked from these topics. Now I am going to discuss about some banking awareness. So you have to cover the banking awareness of each month also, because this is a banking examination and most questions are asked from the banking current affairs, like the news of banks which were in the like the apps and web portals launched by the banks. Then there are some MOUs. So for that, for the last 3 months, like for June, July and August, okay, try to read the banking awareness PDF of Affairs Cloud, because in this banking awareness PDF the banking current affairs are given. And do not read the detailed PDF. You know, there is some 120 to 130 pages in one banking awareness PDF, but skip the portion, and in the half of the PDF you will find the question answer of the same detailed news. So try to cover the question answer. Do not read the detailed things given at the first, okay? When you keep going down, then you will find the question answer of banking awareness of each month. Try to read those questions, okay? Because you have to focus more on the banking news rather than the other news. So try to focus on that also. Plus for the static GK, you will find the questions of the static GK in the current affairs PDF itself. So there is no need to read anything else for the static GK. Then there is banking awareness. So for banking awareness, I would suggest you that you can go for any online PDF. Just write on Google banking awareness PDF and you will find many PDFs. Now there is no time to follow any video source for banking awareness also, as there is like a little time left. So try to cover the banking awareness from the PDFs itself, and try to cover the other current affairs from Affairs Cloud, because I don't think that any source provides the current affairs in this manner, like they do not skip any question. So this is the thing, and you will find the link in the description if you want to buy the current affairs, because the quizzes are very important, and those quizzes you will find only on the Affairs Cloud app subscription. So that is all for this video, and thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your mains examinations.